Weezy out of here.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the shit going crazy.
Hi guys, welcome to Ashana TV. Today we're going to construct a wig, and here's some of the things needed. Starting with the dome cap in the color blonde nylon string, 4 curved needles along with a straight needle if needed, 3 wig clips to secure my wig, some pins to secure the wig while constructing it, and I also have here the Vera Losa Virgin hair from Beauty Depot and 2 14-inch bundles and a 16-inch frontal. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so far what I did was sew down both sides of the frontal, and then I came to the back and started sewing the back down. So now I'm coming up towards the end. And you notice every time I pull the string through, I'm making sure I'm making that extra loop to secure the string down. And as I'm coming up towards the end of the frontal, when I get to the very last stitch, what I'm going to do is stitch it in the same spot multiple times to make sure I'm getting that secured string, that secured knot, so that it won't come loose later on down the line. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start laying the tracks down. As you can see, I'm sewing directly through the track a couple of times, and then I'm going to sew under the track. The only time I sew through the track is when I'm starting it off or folding the wefts over. This way that'll minimize shedding. Okay, so here as I'm getting towards the end of the row, what I'm going to do is flip the track over. I never cut because cutting causes more shedding. So I'll flip it over and then sew it multiple times on that corner, and then continue my track and my sewing from there. So I will go ahead and stitch it multiple times in that corner just to make sure it's sitting flat, and then I'll continue stitching. Okay, so we're coming up towards the end. What I like to do is I like to sew the last track just to bring everything together, connected to the frontal. That way, you know, there's no spacing. You don't notice the difference between the wefts that you sewed down and the frontal. It just all come together. What I'm doing here is I'm sewing a track, my last track on the nape area of the hair. That's only for, you know, if you want to put it in a ponytail, you'll be able to do that without, you know, worrying if the cap is showing or not. So how I do that is I flip the wig cap inside out, place it on the mannequin head, and then I lay the last track from the end of the frontal that's showing to the other end of the frontal, and I sew that down like so. Okay, so now that we're basically towards the end of the wig, we're going to go ahead and cut that extra cap that's under the frontal. And you just make sure that you're not cutting any strings that you stitched so that you won't, you know, unravel anything. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get started on the clips. How I do my clips is I sew 2 clips on the sides by my nape area, and then the 3rd clip I sew it in the middle right behind the frontal. Okay, so we are coming up towards the end of the wig making. Make sure you do stay tuned for part 2 where I will cut, color, style, all that good stuff. So yeah, make sure you do subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and yeah, if you're real, you'll stay tuned.